Good morning WRCC fans, and this morning we've got another convertible, this time Smoke Grey, MAT original VIN, so it's a factory convertible. As you can see, really nice paintwork, fully restored car, beige Everflex hood, Smoke Grey, with a pale blue interior, 1098 engine. It's got the best bits of an earlier car added to it, so it's got a banjo wheel, gold clock. That's an older restoration, but lovely still. As you can see, the shine on the paint works really nice. The panel gap's all nice on her. The bit where the wing meets the body on the back's all nice and clean. Nice new piping on there, decent paint job. The bit between the B post and the wheel arch is all good. It's had new wings on it when it was being restored, because they're all nice and clean on the return. It's had new wheels and tyres fitted. There you go, you've got your banjo wheel. Obviously spot welded, a giveaway, so you've got your spot welded strengthening under the dash, which usually tells you that it is an MAT Tourer. Nice clean seats, 1964 this one. The hood's all nice and clean underneath. It's had new carpets fitted, all the trims and everything are all in good order. Good glove box liners. She's showing 1669 miles, but obviously that doesn't mean anything. It's not got the original clock in it anyway. That's probably the miles that this engine's done, but again, there's no warranty to that, or there's no MOTs to back it up. So as I always say to everybody, if it's not got MOTs going back to when MOT started, then there's absolutely no point in saying anything about mileage. But I can tell you that I've been out for a drive in it, and the engine's lovely and smooth. The suspension, the transmission, everything else is all great as well. And it's raining outside, so that is the beauty of now doing the videos inside, because we can still do them and get them out and get you guys can see what we've got coming in. So as I said, runs, starts, drives really well. Nice and clean on the A post and the gutters there. Just a really nice, clean, honest car. So again, I'm going to say clean, but that must be the word for today, because it's what's coming into my mind. So nice and clean on the inner wings, the bulkhead, the flitches, all good. The wire loom's in good order. Obviously all the chrome's all good. And as I say, you touch under there, it's had new wings fitted, so very recently. She's got 4 new wings on. No bubbling at the bottom of the doors. Really, really nice, tidy little car. And the same again. That section between the tank and the boot aperture, all really nice and tidy. The inner wings, all really nice and tidy. The underside's all nice and solid. All the chrome, the lights and everything are all in good order. As I say, you'll have to take my word for it, but it drives really well. Looks really well. It's on at 14,950, so it's reasonably priced for a convertible. Obviously we take trading on Morris Minors or anything of interest. If you want to give us a call, our telephone number is 01422 881221 for further details. Send an email at inquiries@westridingclassics.co.uk. And this is obviously be live on social media and on our website www.westridingclassics.co.uk, probably by this afternoon, tomorrow morning. So if you're after a really nice clean convertible for the coming spring, as I say, it's a nice honest car. relatively reasonably priced. This one's for you. Come and have a look, have a drive of it, have a look round the new showroom at Yorkshire Minor Centre, WRCC, and we look forward to seeing you. Thanks guys.